You know, first I need to express Namibia's thanks and appreciation to the government of the People's Republic of China, because I think the gesture from China to extend a zero-tariff measure regime to African countries is a direct product of the Forum of China-Africa Cooperation, FOCAC. So we are very happy about that, and we welcome that. How Namibia and other African countries, but let me confine this to Namibia, is going to benefit is manifold. First, it will build confidence between our two countries and also our two private sectors, because non-tariff measures are a confidence-building measure. Number two, I think it will generate industrialization and optimize it and enhance it in order for us to gain more access to the Chinese market. I think it will accelerate the industrialization process in our country and also Africa in general. Number two, for Namibia, we are a coastal state. All of our neighbors who do not have access to the sea depends on our port. So it means more businesses for the Walvis Bay port, because the cargo has to go through our port. And I think it will be really a way of what Africa has been talking when we say the Africa we want. Yes, we are endowed with resources, but we do not want to remain a source of raw materials. We want to add value to our products, being it minerals or agricultural, so that we can become more relevant to the Chinese economy, but also to the global economy. So we are looking at it from that perspective, and I think it's a very welcome measure.